Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about travel accessories business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first here enter your email address and start free trial. Here you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this. Now let's continue and choose an account, and now wait a few seconds to build in this website, this store. First, here you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes, here where you can change the themes if you want. So you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this, and now wait to install the theme. So once your theme is installed, click publish, and now you can customize it on your store homepage. Click here customize, and it will take you to the store homepage. So the first thing here, you have the homepage style. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. So here, this is the settings where you can design your homepage. It begins with the header, the announcements bar. Here you can change the color scheme if you want. You can also show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So let's get back here. The announcements, you can change the text. Also you can pass a link or search for something. So like this, you can select all collections or all products as you like. Now let's move on to the header. Here you can change the desktop logo position. Also you can change or edit the main menu. You can change it or remove it if you want. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Also you can show separator line. You can manage the color scheme or the menu color scheme. You can manage the mobile layout, and you can manage the spacing and the section padding. Also you can manage the theme settings. You can add your social media links, Twitter links or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or wherever you want. So now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select from your library, or for example, let's search on it on the browser. Travel accessories logo idea. Yeah, like this. So for example, now you can edit it at any time you want. You can change it. You can change from your library, or you can remove it if you want. So that's it. Here you can manage the desktop logo width or the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the template, the rich text. Here you can change the desktop content position. Also you can change the content alignment, and you can change the color scheme. You can make section full width, and also you can manage the section padding, the top padding and the bottom padding. So that's it. If you want to delete some section, just select it and click remove the section, and it will be deleted. You can also move the section if you want, like this. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here the heading, you can change. You can generate a text, describe what this text is about. For example, travel accessories, and click generate. Wait, the suggestions from here, you can choose one. So for example, this here you can change the color or the size of the text. Also you can edit the heading size. So let's get back. Now let's move on to the collections. Here you can select collections, you can create your own collections. Here, now let's move on to the featured collections. Also here the heading, you can describe what this text is about. For example, travel, jewels, or travel gears, or whatever you want. For example, like this. You can edit the heading size. Also you can generate the text here on the description. So here you can edit the form of the text. You can also edit the description style, or you can show collection description from the admin. You can change collection if you want. Here you can change the color scheme. So that's it. Now let's get back. The last section on these settings, the footer section, you can edit the image sign up here. You can change the color scheme. So that's it. Here you can edit this, the heading. For example, you can make it like this. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can go to the theme settings. Here you can change, you can edit your logo or your colors or the typography or the layout or the animations, so whatever you want. Now after you're done from design your website, now all you have to do, save this, and let's exit from here and let's get back to the home page, the dashboard. So after you add your first products, and after you add the custom domain, after you add the sharing details, now here you can name your store, the next step. So here you can name it. Here type your name store. Here you can change, you can add your store phone, you can also change your store email. So after this, just save this. And now after customizing your store, all you have to do is launch your online store. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.